Item: SCP-1249. Code name: Pestilence. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. As of this writing, SCP-1249 is contained in Sector. Subject is to be contained in a 6 m x 6 m airtight BSL-4 containment cell with two-stage airlock, observed via closed-circuit surveillance camera at all times. The pressure inside SCP-1249 cell should be kept at 70 kPa. The cell is to be fitted with a bed, a bathroom with a contained plumbing system, a filtered air vent, and an observation window. Lighting in the containment cell should be limited to 30 candelas at all times. Subject is to be given 500 grams of raw meat, 2 kilograms of live invertebrates, and 1 kilogram of plant matter 3 times a day. SCP-1249's containment cell is to be cleaned and disinfected at least twice daily by personnel wearing Level A hazmat suits. Description: SCP-1249 is a humanoid entity weighing around 76 kilograms, composed entirely of terrestrial invertebrates from many species. While CAT scans indicate the presence of a human skeletal structure, the subject's flesh and internal organs have been completely replaced by the invertebrate swarm. The swarm functions in place of the subject's muscular system and organs. Any individual removed from the swarm shows no anomalous property until reunited with SCP-1249. Subject can assimilate normal invertebrate organisms into the swarm in the event of injury. SCP-1249's humanoid skeletal structure is incapable of regenerating from damage. When the subject is exposed to light with intensity above 45 candelas, subject will lose its humanoid shape and the swarm will disperse over an area approximately 300 square meters in size. SCP-1249 constantly excretes clear viscous fluid at an average of 30 milliliters per hour. Microscopic examination has revealed that the fluid contains a variety of microbes and pathogens. Identified pathogens include Varroa major, Mycobacterium leprae, Yersinia pestis, and Zaire ebolavirus. SCP-1249 fluid appears to sustain the microbes indefinitely and allow infection to occur through brief skin contact. Subject possesses no vocal capability but can hear and write reasonably well, allowing adequate communication, though its lack of fine motor skills often renders its writing indecipherable. SCP-1249 writes principally in Classical Arabic but also displays some knowledge of Aramaic. Addendum 01. SCP-1249 was discovered near a small town in North America at 20 after a minor outbreak of illness that resembled English sweating sickness, followed by the frequent sightings of what witnesses described as a man made out of bugs at night. Subject was contained 5 days after initial sighting and amnestics were successfully administered to each witness. Addendum 02. The following is a translation from the first communication attempt to SCP-1249 by Foundation personnel on 20. We are cursed by him. He. Unable to translate vow. Unable to translate. Ni Adam. Only. Unable to translate.